Again, I'm Judge Alfonso Charles, presiding judge of the 10th Administrative Judicial Region. I assign myself to hear this case. The court has reviewed the motions, the responses, heard the arguments of counsel. The court makes the following rulings. One, first of all, the court finds that the motion itself, motion to recuse that was filed on July the 9th, was not properly verified. Secondly, the court finds that it was not timely filed. However, the court still granted a hearing on this. The motion itself does assert at least one or more of the grounds listed in Rule 18b. But then when you get down to what the basis of all the complaints are, examples that defense counsel gave is that the state was never admonished on certain things, that in voir dire, challenge was granted for the state but not for the defense, and on the briefing, all those relate to the court's rulings. In Rule 18a, subsection 3, clearly states that the motion to recuse must not be based solely on the judge's rulings of the case. That there are other remedies available, including appeal or mandamus. Under those circumstances, based on what the court has heard and the motions filed, I'm going to deny the motion to recuse. The court may proceed with sentencing at this. Is the sentencing hearing set for today?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court
Yeah.
will proceed with sentencing.
What the court is going to do, we're going to recess our hearing right now. I'm going to give you until 2:15. It should be about 4 hours to get here. If you're not present, I'm going to be issuing a writ of attachment to have you brought up here. Do you understand?
Understood.
Okay. Do you have any questions?
The one thing that I would just like to bring up is, as far as sentencing, I would like to request a continuance just based on the PSI. I don't think we've waived it. I think by statute we have to. And you know, I do have some issues with how it was done.
Well, I'm not going to hear any motion for continuance until you are here in the courtroom. So we'll be in recess until 2:15, and if you're not present, I'm going to be sending the sheriff to get you.
Yes.
And is this your signature here telling me you understand the rights of the